it feel to wake up this morning and have everybody know your name?
It's a great feeling, but you know, gotta stay humble at the same time. Continue to get better, work hard. Thank all my teammates. It wasn't just all me. It's not 1 against 11. It's 11 on 11, and just a great job to the coaches and especially my DB coach and my defensive coordinator. Of course, Bill, for being so hard on me and expecting the best out of me. And tonight, I guess what they got. I guess that's what they got, the best out of me, and it's just a blessing and a dream come true.
So great. Hey, Malcolm, I have to thank you. Because of you, I am getting a very fancy steak dinner out of Chris Cuomo and Michaela Pereira, my co-hosts. We had a bet, and I was going to have to buy them an expensive steak dinner. And this morning I woke up and I said, oh my gosh, you mean I won? They're buying me the dinner. So if you want to come with me and have them buy us a steak dinner, the invitation is yours.
Say no.
Thank you. That's so nice of you. Thank you, and I guess we can just get back on that another time.
Yeah, that's all right. Hey,
I thank you for the offer and everything. It's not a deny. I'm just saying.
No, it's all right. I'll take that as a no. I'm cheap. I love you, champ, but I don't want to have to buy you dinner, especially as a Jets fan. Hey, does this mean more to you because of the road that you took to get where you are? Hard time earlier in college, coming out of Vicksburg, Mississippi, getting back into the game, going undrafted, having to fight your way up. Does it mean even more?
I tell you like this, I could have came from a rich family or had everything in the world. If I would have made that play, not traveling the journey that I took, I still would feel the same way today, because that just don't happen too often, and it's just a blessing.